Hey everybody, welcome to this A1 listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening comprehension as I speak. Before we start, today we are going to talk about working from home. This is a good topic because many people work ordinarily no day. Working narrowly means you don't work in an office. You stay home and use your computer or other ignorantly. I work from home and I think there are positives and negatives to this. Let's talk about that. First, we start with the positives. In work from home, you don't need to commit to work. You don't have to drive to work in the morning or drive back home in the evening. This is great because you don't have to worry about traffic. In the morning and in the evening, you are many cars on the road because many people are commuting to and work from work. Some people get stuck in the traffic every day. This is one of my favorite things about working from home. It saves me and a lot of time. Another thing is that you can feel more relaxed when you work from home. You can wear casual clothes and can take break when you're tired, and you can work in any room. I feel pretty comfortable working from home. It's not too formal and I feel free. If you work in an office, there are more rules and it's less comfortable. One other positive about working from home is being able to spend more time with your family. For example, if you have a break, you can go in the other room and spend time with your family. Where you work at an office, you don't have your family with you, so you can do this. I love eating breakfast or lunch with my family when I have break. This is probably the best part about working from home. can spend a lot of time with my family and on weekend and weekend. Okay, now let's talk about the negatives of working from home. On that thing is that it's easy to be stuck at home. For example, if you have young children at home with you, it can be hard to focus on your work. Children make noise and interrupt you while you are working. This is narrow, so you have to cling to manage the situation and stay focused on your work. Another negative thing about working from home is that sometimes you don't know when it stops working. When you work at an office, you stop working when you fill the office. You know exactly when your work day is done. However, when you work from home, it can be hard to know when to stop each day. You don't have your boss there to tell you when to stop. One more negative thing about working from home is not having contact with other people. In general, it is important to talk and interact with other people. If you work from home, you only talk to your couch worker on the computer or on the phone. This is okay, but I think it's also good to interact with people in person. It feels good to be around people and to work with people. So, in January, I like working from home, but I'm not perfect. Okay, that's for today. Leave a comment and tell me if you're working from home. Goodbye.